Do the touch the nose and check her teeth. She's got beautiful little teeth. Cover her eyes. Look in her ears. And then run her hand down her back. Wiggle her tail. And do her shoulders and then handle each toe. She's such a calm girl. Hold this. Do each of these toes. And then we're gonna do the back legs, each toe. Oh, baby, you're okay. You're okay. Feel all these toes. And I'm gonna feel these toes. Squirmy, squirmy. And then flip you over. And rub your belly. Oh, you're complaining a little bit about that. You're fine. And then brush you.